Robot's birthday,
Happy birthday!
say the toys. Robot opens his birthday presents and cards.
Oh, a red plane. Thank you, everyone. Beep.
Says Robot.
Hello, Rabbit. It's my birthday today. Please come to my party. Beep.
The party is in the garden. There are balloons and flowers. The toys and Rabbit put on party hats.
Here's chicken for the party,
Says Ted.
Yum. I like chicken. Thank you, Ted. Beep.
Says Robot.
Sorry,
Says Rabbit.
I don't like chicken.
Here's soup for the party, says Doll.
Yum. I like soup. Thank you, doll. Beep.
Says Robot.
Sorry,
Says Rabbit.
I don't like soup.
Wow! Here's pasta for the party, says Dino.
Yum. I like pasta. Thank you, Dino. Beep, beep.
Says Robot.
Sorry,
Says Rabbit.
I don't like pasta. Here's pizza for the party.
Says Ted.
Yum. I like pizza. Thank you, Ted and Bluebird.
Says Robot.
Sorry,
Says Rabbit.
I don't like pizza.
Here's rice for the party, says Little Bear.
Yum. I like rice. Thank you, Little Bear. Beep.
Says Robot.
Sorry,
Says Rabbit.
I don't like rice. Here's birthday cake for the party.
Says Archie.
Yum. I like cake. Thank you, Archie. Beep, beep.
Says Robot.
Sorry,
Says Rabbit.
I'm a rabbit. I don't like cake. I don't like rice. I don't like pizza. I don't like pasta. I don't like soup. And I don't like chicken. And I'm very hungry.
Look, Rabbit. Flowers for you. Beep.
Says Robot.
Yum! I like flowers. Thank you, Robot.
Says Rabbit.
Happy birthday, Robot.
Say the toys.
Beep. Beep, beep.
The toys are asleep now. Good night, everyone.